abahinzi n'abatura nibagira ngo enjojo zubarihizena no kwita abantu hamwe na no kushisha emisiri yabo nibashabe ekitongore kya Uganda Wildlife Authority okukora hanshongezi eyibatwire nibabagambira
Twanga balimi nitulima bitu kya kutangaza kurora ngu enjojo zatera munyoni waitu
like this season ihoireho musana gukatutera ebyo kuri ebiteito bitu soboire kweza kandi n'enjojo yabihwerekereza hati nitusaba government tuyambe etuletera kawaya ko kulinda enjojo na kawaya karabani keija tugume tutunga orubazo hamu na bauwa tuteho umulingo gwo kutuso kulinda enjojo
buli season nzita hano abantu last season zikatera abantu babiri the last zikaita bana so nyona ninjera ngu uwa nkauwa in fact ninjera ntobune maybe eremeru
Yefes Katenene chairman w'entebe yakashata bwegombora ya Kichwamba nagira ngo mushicweka cye programu yo kuzibira enyamishwe zinane kiwaya cy'amashanyarazi zitekashikireyo kandi kiteganisa abahinzi n'abatura.
But the problem is Chibale National Park is not part is not in the plans of government to be given an electric fence. But we need to advocate for it because since elephants have shifted from Queen now to Chibale, I think our focus should be on Chibale than on Queen currently.
Tugambere hona n'umugambirizo wa Uganda Wildlife Authority Bashir Hanji ahanshonga yo kufa ko mushijogo
kandi nditinka UWA tugerezo kubashika twagamba nabo twabashyeho ubwoyezo tubase kubahwera mu biro kuzika nibindi konke ekikunu kutanga intebe kansa kureba ngo twongera kombe ko ruguru amashanyarazi electric fence abantu babase kugira businge umwanya wo kugura mu kishara cy'amani so ukombeka mu singenje y'amashanyarazi nago no muri gwamani konkantu na kutaho uburyo bwo naturebeke ngo naho twabasa kutaho oruguru nyamishwa reke kuteganisa abantu
amakuru agagasha kwa Gilbert Mahangu zo muri Kasese.